Hey guys, welcome to another video. This video is about integration of ESRPG version 2.5 with FastAI plugin. This is the ESRPG base project, and I have installed the FastAI plugin into this project. Alright, so I'm going to do the integration of it. So first I'm going to go open the third person character from FastAI plugin, and then I'm also going to open the EasyRPG character, which is the BP character player. The first thing I want to do is go to third person. I'm going to copy the spawn location, Control C, Control V, is there, right? Go to the parent class, which is character base. I'm going to reparent this to the FastAI character, FastAI. All right, so now you can close the BP character base. So in BP character player, you should look for is alive. As you see, this function is belongs to FastAI character, right? Open that. So now I'm going to get is alive from the EasyRPG. Don't get confused by the name. So this one it belongs to, this is a variable that belongs to, I think, EasyRPG character. So I'm going to do that. And I think one more thing we have to do. So if you go to class defaults, type in tag, right? And in here, you're going to add a tag called player. I think that should be it. Now, if I go play, right? Let me quickly grab this. Right, so now it's working. So they're spawning and they will respond. They're rigged to. There you go. It works. Um, so you want to go to your editor preference. Make sure you enable the foliage. What's your foliage? So we're using that, right? Let's do this. So if I'm going to go to the demo single player, all right, so I'm going to foliage volume, increase the volume to like 1000, 1000, 1000, right? All right, so what I'm going to spawn is this. Now if you go to blueprint process spawner, I'm going to spawn this. So it has all the spawner with all the AIs here, right? So if I do resimulate, so it's going to spawn some stuff, and I wonder where my player is. So this is a single player, right? So I'm going to spawn here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some gun, place it here. I want to spawn the weapon. There you go. That's the one. Spawn, maximize. So I get. All right. So let's go. Let's see if it works. So there's my NPC. So there's the zombie ones. Let's see if I take damage from my NPC. Um, okay, yeah, I do take damage. Pretty cool. Oh, this this one is a civilian. This is running away from it. I think that's pretty much it, though. I mean, let's see. It would be nice to create a quest and to finish all of them. Yeah, I cleared that area. I think I cleared this area as well. Oh, there you go.